Page 134. Read each story. Follow the directions. This year, Grandma is going to let me plant the garden. She says I am now big enough to do all the work. I will plant rows of corn. Corn is my favorite. I will build frames for the beans to grow on. I will put wire cages over the tomato plants. The cages will keep the plants from falling over. Number 1, circle the sentence below that tells a big idea of the story. We have 2 sentences. We have, gardens take a lot of work. I will plant corn and beans. So in here, what will be the answer here? It will be, I will plant corn and beans. Very good. Very good. No, it's number 1. Gardens take a lot of work. Very good. Garden takes a lot of work. That is the answer. Garden takes a lot of work. Because as we read, we're talking about tomatoes, we're talking about corn, we're talking about beans. So it's a lot of work. So gardens take a lot of work. That is the answer. Number 2, underline the parts of the story that helped you tell the big idea. What are the parts of the story that help you tell the big idea? Okay, number 1, corn is my favorite. I will build frames for the beans to grow on. Number 3, I will put wire cages over the tomato plants. Those sentences are details that explain more about the main idea, and those sentences help you know what is the big idea. Remember, the main idea is what is the story about. It's the first sentence, and the details are the sentence that explain more about the main idea. Now we have number 2. Aunt Deb will help me make a window box to plant flowers in. It will be like having a little garden. I will water my plants. I can watch them grow. I will have pretty flowers right outside my window. My neighbors will enjoy them too. 3, circle the sentence below that tells a big idea of the story. What will be the answer here? Very good. Aunt Deb is going to help me. Number 4, underline the parts of the story that help you tell the big idea. What is the part of the story that helped me understand the big idea? The first sentence. Aunt Deb will help me make a window box to plant flowers in. That sentence is a part of the story that helps you tell the big idea. And we have number 5. Write a big idea for a story you would like to write. Then you have to write a big idea. You have to write a story that you would like to write. And you have to write, for the first sentence, you have to write the main idea. And then you have to write sentences that explain more about the main idea. That is number 5. Page 134. Practicing main idea and details.